How to connect mic to Bandlab iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to connect any microphone to your iPhone and start recording high quality audio using Bandlab. Let's get started. Step 1. Using a lightning microphone. First, if you have a microphone with a lightning connector, simply plug it directly into your iPhone's lightning port. Then, open the Bandlab app, tap the More button to create a new project and select Voice Mic. Bandlab should automatically recognize your mic. Adjust your input levels as needed, and you're ready to record. Step 2. Using a USB microphone. For USB microphones, you will need an Apple Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. Connect your USB mic to the adapter. Then, plug the adapter into your iPhone. It's recommended to connect a charger to the adapter's additional lightning port to ensure sufficient power. Open Bandlab, create a new project and select Voice Mic. Check your input levels and then you're ready to record. Step 3. Additional tips. Go to your iPhone settings, privacy, microphone, and make sure Bandlab has permission to access your microphone. Use headphones to prevent audio feedback during recording. In Bandlab, you can enable monitoring to hear yourself in real time while recording. Adjust your input gain to avoid clipping and ensure clear audio. And that's how you connect a microphone to Bandlab on your iPhone. You're now set up to record high quality audio. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.